Hi, have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered what really these tiny sparkling dots are? What if AI could tell us what that glowing dot really is? Today, we will use AI and astronomy apps to see stars like scientists do. Let's ask AI to show us what stars truly are right from the sky above us. App is SkyView Lite. It uses AI to recognize stars in real time. Just point your phone towards the sky and it tells you what you are looking at in the space. Also, keep moving here and there in an open sky if possible, even indoors, keeping your phone pointing towards the sky, and it tells you the name of every star or planet or satellite or a constellation above you. For example, if I want to know the name of this bright star above me, I just click to it. Okay, this is Vezin. Interestingly, if you click to it for more information, oh, it tells me it is 1607 light years away from the Earth. This way, if you could see more, all right, somewhere I could even find, oh, the brightest star. This is no one but star in Libra, and this one is Venus, a well known planet in our solar system. Another example of such AI app to understand our solar system is Stellarium, which is a virtual sky powered by data and AI. Let me click to launch it. Stellarium, it helps us to show the exact distance, position, and even color of every star in the sky right above us. Again, the phone in my hand and it is pointing towards the sky above me. This time, but I'm working in a real time basis, that is in a daytime. Okay, so I've switched to the daytime and this is a sky or a day sky above me. If I could keep moving or rotating my phone, I could see the different stars and the most bright star who is sun itself. Let me click to sun to understand more information about it. Okay, this is a sun. All right, that belongs to some constellation Libra and a distance of 0.99 AU and many more. And you could even see one of the closest planet from sun, that is Venus, above your head, and this is how it could be shown. Oh, this is Venus, which is not a star but a planet. Correct. Fine. Keep moving. Try to know the names of different stars above you or above the sky. But do you even know what exactly is a star? A star is a huge body. Imagine a big rock that has a light of its own. But do you even know how do stars get light? A star is like a giant ball of burning gases that makes it shine with huge energy. Interestingly, you could fit millions of Earth inside a single star. So, in this video, we understood the stars and also with AI how universe is literally in our hands. Please subscribe if you want to learn every concept of science this way through AI with us at Kodak, and please do like, comment and also share it with others.